Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can fix the home tab not showing in the YouTube Studio application on mobile. So let us guide you through it step by step. So if you, for example, don't see your YouTube channel's home tab by accessing your channel through the YouTube mobile application or through the YouTube Studio application, this is how you can fix this, guys. So it may be possible that you accidentally disable the home tab. Let me show you really quickly how you can re-enable it here on your Android phone through the YouTube Studio app. So what you want to do is log into your channel here, launch YouTube Studio, tap into your channel icon in the top right, and after that tap into that pencil icon here to the right. So guys, what you want to do is next is swipe down till you get to home tab, tap into home tab or into that arrow icon here, and make sure that your home tab is simply enabled to show your home tab on your channel's main page. And that's basically it, guys. You don't need to save anything manually, simply switch it on here, and that should fix the issue. And please let us know in the comments down below, guys, if it did for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.